In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix if you're having a trouble with the error code, update error code KB5086672 on your Windows 11 if you're having an error code and how we can fix it. So let's get started. So first of all, we have to retry the update, restart PC and try again. So to do so, what you need to do is we have to go over here, type your food settings, then we have to click on the settings. Now from here, we have to go to the Windows update. Now from here, you have to check for this. As you can see, this is what it is. Now, if you're having any retry option, you have to go for the retry. And if you don't find the retry, what you need to do is we have to do a restart. So go over here, click on the start icon, go over here, do a restart on a computer. Then you have to check. Sometimes, that might work. So you have to try this. Next one, we have to go to pause and restart the update. To do so, we have to go to the settings, go to the pause update. We have to pause it for 1 week, 2 week, 3 week or something. Just pause it for a particular duration of time, then check for update. That might work in some cases, so that is what we have to do. Next one, we have to start and restart App Readiness, Windows Update and Background Intelligent Transfer Service. So go over here, type here for services and we have to click on the services. Now from here, what you need to do is we have to go to the first one, that is App Readiness, right click and go to the properties. Now go to automatic, the service status is stopped, so just click on the start. Now we have to go for apply and go for OK. Then we have to right click and do a restart and you have to check and that might work. Next one, we have to go to Background Intelligent Transfer Service, go to the properties, go to automatic. The service status is stopped, so just click on the start. Once you make sure this is up and running, we just need to go for apply and go for OK. Go for OK, then you have to right click, do a restart and we have to check. That will also work. Next one, what you need to do is we have to scroll it down and navigate to the bottom. Now from here, we have to click on Windows Update here. Just go for Windows Update. Just scroll it down and navigate to the Windows Update, right click, go to the properties, go to automatic and go for OK. Then you have to right click, go to the restart. Once the restart is done, you just need to check whether the issue is solved. Next one, we have to run few SFC and DISM command. So the first one, we have to type here cmd. Then you have to just click on run as administrator. Then go for yes. Now we have to copy the first command, that is SFC scannow. Copy this command. Copy the command, you have to paste it, just press enter and you have to check. If that is not working, copy the second command. We have to copy this, go over here. After running the first command, just copy and paste the second command. Keep in mind, each of these commands will take a little bit of time. After you copied and paste this third command, you have to copy this one, that is DSM cleanup image. Copy this, paste it and just press enter and you have to check. Once done, we have to check. Next one, we have to use Microsoft Update Catalog. So to do so, I'll be providing a link in the description where you have to go to this link. Copy the KB value from here, copy this value, go to the link. Now we have to copy and paste it, then go for search. Now from here, you have to go over here, go to the x64 based system, go over here and you have to download this and you have to check. Next one is all about after installing the KB, we have to go to the next one, that is use option fix problem using Windows Update. So go to the settings, go to the system. Now from here we have to scroll it down, navigate to the recovery. From here go to fix problem using Windows Update. Go for reinstall now. Once you reinstall it back, it will not be losing any of your data, but the Windows will be reinstalled back. Then you have to check, sometimes that might work. Next one, we have to copy this entire command from here. Copy this entire command. Now copy the command and we have to minimize this. Now we have to right click, go to new, create a text document. Now from here we have to go over here and you have to copy and paste it. Now go to the file, go to save as, go to all files, go to wuauserv. Now from here we have to scroll it down to the desktop and you have to save it. Once you save it, it will be popping up over here like this. Now we have to right click, run this as an administrator and you have to check. Last one we have to use, and also make sure that you restart your PC and you have to check. Last and the least step, we have to use media creation tool. So go over here, try downloading this and install this on your computer, and you have to check. So these are the steps when it comes to how to fix this, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.